Hey, welcome to the Wise Owl. Have you ever wondered how to create a catchy beat for your song and make it sound even better? Stay tuned to learn 9 drum beats that will help achieve your objective. So far, in lesson 1 to 5, we focused on how to identify the key, rhythm, tempo, time signature of your melody, how to adjust these to further improve your idea, how to harmonize the melody both in major and minor keys, and how to create more melody. At this stage, if you so far followed all the steps, you might have even a full song, meaning melody and chords that you can now improve by adding drums. If you can rely on a producer or on a drummer, then learn these 4 different elements of the drum kit to start producing your own song. Our objective is to present their sound and their standard music notation so that you can create your own patterns. Then we will combine them to obtain rock, pop rock, Latino hip hop sounds. Let's hear the bass drum, hi-hat, snare drum, and the crash cymbal. Let's now mix them to create beats for different music styles. Choose for your songs the ones that you like the most and create your own combinations. I will give you as well written hints to artists who use these beats. Great! In the final lesson, we will talk about the song structure and discuss useful practices so that you can finalize your tunes. Thanks for watching. Please go ahead and subscribe and check out my channel to understand music like never before. The Wise Owl salutes you.